French fries. Crispy, golden, and totally craveable. We all love them. But have you ever wondered about the amazing journey they take from potato farms to your plate? Buckle up, food fans, because we're about to dive deep into the world of mass-produced French fries. It all starts with the humble potato, grown with care by hard-working farmers all over the world. These spuds are the VIPs of the French fry world, and they're treated with respect every step of the way. From the moment they're planted as tiny seed potatoes to the day they're harvested as plump, delicious spuds, these potatoes are destined for greatness. Once the potatoes are big and beautiful, it's time for harvest. Giant machines gently dig up the potatoes, separating them from the soil. Then, these spuds hop onto conveyor belts and get loaded into trucks. These potato-packed trucks hit the road, heading straight for French fry factories. It's like a superhighway for spuds. Some factories are located right in the heart of potato country, while others are strategically placed for easy access to major cities and distribution hubs. No matter the destination, one thing remains the same. Those fries are on their way to becoming the crispy treats we know and love. Welcome to the French fry factory, where the real magic happens. First, the potatoes get a refreshing bath to wash away any dirt. Then, they go through a special machine that peels their skin, just like magic. Next up, it's time to get slicing. Sharp blades cut the potatoes into those perfect French fry shapes we all recognize. Some become classic shoestring fries, while others transform into chunky steak fries. It's all about variety. The moment we've all been waiting for. Frying time. The cut potatoes take a dip in hot oil, transforming into golden brown perfection. Once they're perfectly cooked, the fries get a sprinkle of salt and sometimes other seasonings to boost their flavor. Before they're ready to party in your belly, the fries go through a quality control check. Only the best-looking and tastiest fries make the cut. Finally, they're packed up and shipped off to restaurants and supermarkets near you. Whether you're grabbing fast food or making fries at home, you can thank this incredible journey for each and every delicious bite. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.